Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you an easy way to apply watercolor over a pen drawing. This simple technique can bring your sketches to life with beautiful colors and expressive effects. Let's get started. Today I have chosen a very simple subject, a flower with a few leaves. For this painting, I will use a limited color palette, 2 shades of blue, 2 shades of green and 2 shades of red. Using a limited range of colors support to create harmony and balance in the painting. Before applying the color, it is important to decide where each color will be placed. Planning your color composition in advance will make the painting more effective and visually interesting. Next, lightly wet the paper using a brush or a water spray. This will allow the color to flow smoothly and create beautiful watercolor effect. Now let's see step by step how we can quickly apply the color and achieve the fresh watercolor effect. Now mix the green and red to create a darker color. Be mindful to where you place the darker colors and leave some area lighter to maintain a good balance of light and dark. This contrast will bring depth, movement and life to your painting. As you can see, I am covering the entire painting with color and not leaving any white areas. While doing this, it is important to use darker colors in specific places to create contrast and balance. The relationship between light and dark tones help unify the composition and give the painting more depth, harmony, and visual impact. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more watercolor painting tutorials. Your support means a lot. See you in the next video.